Hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Rezbi Ahmed Tamim. My ID is 181352450. My presentation topic is logic gate and its use. Boolean algebra and logic circuit application. So today I am discuss about introduction to Boolean algebra, basic concept and function of Boolean algebra, introduced to logic gates, logic circuit, and Boolean expression. Boolean algebra, an algebra which is used to simplifying the presentation and manipulation of propositional logic. It is also known as switching algebra, invented by George Boole 1854. Boolean algebra is mainly used for simplify and manipulate electronic logic circuit in computer. So, basic concept of Boolean algebra. It deals with the binary number system 0 1. Boolean algebra, it's depend on 0 or 1. 0 means switch off, 1 means switch on. The three basic logical expressions are Boolean algebra dependent on basic logic operation are AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator. AND operation. AND operation is used for logical multiplication. The dot symbol used for representing AND operation. AND operator has an output 1 if all the inputs are 1, otherwise the output is 0. So here is a chart table. There is a 2 input and 1 output. So A or B input or output is 0. When A or B is 0 0, that means output is 0. And then output in A is 0 and B is 1, so output is 1. It can odd number is 1, output is 0. So here is input is 1, input A is 1, input B is 0, the output is 0. At last, input is 1, input A is 1 and input B is 1, so 1 and 1 is 1. So here we can see even number 1 is output is 1. Truth table. This is the truth table for logical AND operation. And now we discuss OR operation. OR operation means is plus operator, means 2 input plus and we get output. OR operation is used for logical addition. The symbol plus is used for represented OR operation. OR operator has an output 1 if any of the inputs are 1, otherwise the input is 0. So I explain the table. Input, this is the truth table or operation. So here is 2 input and 1 output, input A and input B, and output is C. So it like to similar but not exactly similar AND operator. So here we can see input A is 0 and input B is 0. So 0 or 0, output is 0. So what we can say, even number, odd, that means odd number or even number is 1, that means output is 1. Input 0 0, output 0. Input A is 0, input B is 1, the output is 1. So even number, odd number 1, the output is 1. So A input 1 or input 0, the output is 1. Input A is 1, input B is 1, 1 or 1, output is 1. So that means 1 times 1, and the output is 1. And then I explain NOT operator. NOT operation. NOT operation is used for complementation the over bar symbol. That means exactly if is 0, that means bar is equal 1. That means let's call it like uh, that means upper side, man. Okay, NOT operation is used for complementation the over bar symbol used to represent a NOT operation. NOT operator has an output 1 if input is 0 or output is 0 if the input is 1. Input A is 0, output A bar is 1. It means it's called A bar. And input is 1, output is 0. Okay? There is a Boolean theorem. That means a Boolean formula. There is a George Boole. George Boole created this theorem. I explain one by one. OR operator is A plus 0 equal A, and A plus 1 equal 1, or A plus A equal A plus A bar equal 1. Today my time is short, so I cannot explain this Boolean theorem. This is the Boolean theorem, and this is the other theorem. Boolean function. Boolean function is an expression formed with the binary variable. It is the combination of Boolean operators such as AND, OR, and NOT operator. This is the Boolean function, and here is input, here is output. So input, what type of input? X and Y, two input, and input X, Y, or X bar. You can say, you can write a table, input or output, input key, what type of input? X, X bar, and Y. X, Y, X bar. X 0 0 1 1. That means two input is two type of 0, two time of 0, two time of 1, and then Y, one type of 0, one type of 1. Or X bar is when X is 0, X bar is 1. This is our operator. Here we can explain NOT operator. This is the NOT operator. 0 1 0 1 1, exactly 0 1 0. So X bar plus Y. So we can first calculation of function is plus operator, first bracket, and then plus operator. First bracket is plus operator 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1, and can calculate X dot, that means X and this is operator 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. That means even number, odd number is 0, and even number is 1. 1 1 1. Here is the output. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Truth table for the Boolean function. This is the truth table of for Boolean function, and we can explain. I can explain logic gate. Computer carries out all operation by the combination of signals that pass through the standard blocks of built-in circuit. Logic gate is an elementary building block of digital electronic circuit that operates one or more input signals to produce standard output. The common use of logic gate elements is not act as switch. Means switch on or off. Switch on is 1, switch off is 0. In computer, logic gates are used to implement Boolean function. Type of logic gate: and or not. Three type of logic gate. One more type of logic gate is NAND, NOR, or NOR. NAND, NOR, or XNOR. So AND gate. AND gate is used for logical multiplication input signal. If the input values for an AND gate are 1, then the output is 1, otherwise the output is 0. So Boolean expression A dot B, you can call A into B. Okay. Logical diagram: two input and output. This is the AND gate sign. So there is a truth table. Input A or B 0 0 0. When we can pass 0 0, that means output X is 0. We can see X is 0, and then we can see similar input 1 A 1 B 1, and output is 1. Okay. OR gate. OR gate performs the logical addition operation. It is an electronic circuit that generates an output signal 1. If any of the input signal is 1, then output is 1. So Boolean expression: X output equal input. Okay. Here this is the OR sign. Input A or B. Input A is 0 and B is 0. Output X is 0. Input A is 0, B is 1, output is 1. So one signal is a output signal 1 if any signal of 1. So if here we can see B is 1, X is 1, A is 1, X is 1, output X is 1, and B is 1, output X is 1. Not gate. NOT gate performs the logical complementation operation. It is the electronic circuit that generates the reverse of the input signal as output signal. So reverse. Reverse means input A is 0, output X is 1. Input A is 1, output X is 0. This is the truth table of OR operation. Not operator. Sorry, not operator. Logical circuit. An electronic circuit that is consist with a number of logical gates, which is used in computer to perform logical operation on its two or more input signals to produce a combined standard output signal. So here is AND operator, OR operator. To input XY input or output, F equals X plus Y. I can forget F, write to F. Okay, just forget. And Z is not operator. That means reverse. Z operator, not Z. You can call Z bar. Okay, X plus Y or Z bar is AND operator. This means chatbot dot someone calls and z power x plus y. This is the logical circuit Boolean expression. Okay. Here is the function, Boolean function. This is the called x bar dot y bar, x bar dot y dot z whole bar. This is the whole bar. It x bar bar, y bar, z bar is the all of x y z dot x bar plus y plus z bar. Okay, this two function is as is dot function. Okay, here firstly x bar. Okay, so here is input x y z, not other of that, x y z. Okay, x is x bar, okay, dot y y z. There is the dot x y some like a dot operator, x bar y dot z, and x bar y y z bar is the add of x plus y plus z, and two function is add dot bar. Here two function is add dot. Conclusion: Boolean algebra simplifies logic circuit to increase work efficiently on digital device. Logic circuit can be built for any binary electric or electronic device, including switches, relays, electron tubes, and transistor. Circuit that perform complex logical function. A computer can perform its logical function along with proper execution of other commands. I hope you understand my presentation. So that's all. Thank you.